Welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this video I will share with you how to bevel an edge when your object is not on the point of origin, basically. So we have this. So this is the point of origin and this is our object. And if I try to go on edit mode and then click the edge I want to select, or maybe bevel, and then click on Ctrl B, we have our bevel going on one side more than the other side. So to correct this, all you need to do is to go back, Ctrl Z, and then tab into object mode, and then you press Ctrl A. When you press Ctrl A, you'll be able to apply the location or maybe the transformation you have done on the object. So to do that, you press Ctrl A and then you select all transform. When you select all transform, then you tab into edit mode again and you click Ctrl B, then you drag your mouse. As you can see, we have an equal beveling operation happening here, unlike what we had before. So this is how to as you can see, also it's still off the origin, but then we're able to apply the transformation we've done on the object, and that's why we have this. So this is how to bevel your edge when your object is not on the point of origin. See you on the next video.